Where we left off in part 1, we had paper mache'd the armature 3 times, letting it dry thoroughly in between each layer. Now we're going to cover the whole thing in paper clay. Once your clay has completely hardened, you want to start adding the first knuckles on. These are going to be your only stationary knuckles. And that's where your 3/4 inch wooden craft balls are going to come in. So I do attach these with Epoxy Sculpt. Epoxy Sculpt is a 2-part resin clay, equal parts. Knead them together until they're a uniform color. Only mix up as much as you're going to use right then, because it says it has about 2-hour working time. I think it dries much faster than that. It does completely harden in about 24 hours. Then you can sand it, drill holes in it, do whatever you need. It is completely waterproof. A lot of people use it to repair boats and plumbing and things like that. Okay, now I'm just gonna take a piece and kind of roll it into a little snake. A little too much. Wrap it around. And then it works really well with water. You can really feather it out and smooth it out into things with water. And you're going to paint everything, so don't worry about getting the clay on there. And if you're not happy with the finish, you can always sand it after. And I'm going to continue this with the rest of the knuckles. Now that the clay is dry, I went ahead and painted it white and touched up some of the black as well too. So now we just need to construct the fingers. You want to cut your 1/2 inch PVC accordingly. And then just put them together from there. Once you get to the edge, just trim it, leaving yourself just a little bit of slack, maybe a 1/2 inch or so. Curl it over. And then at this point I like to use Epoxy Sculpt on the tip to cover that up. You can probably use hot glue. I'm not very good with hot glue, so that's why I chose Epoxy Sculpt. And just put it over the tip like this and paint it. And there you go. Bendable fingers. Fergie and Squirt both want to say thanks for watching. If you want to learn how to make the rest of Jack, some more Nightmare Before Christmas props, as well as other Halloween shenanigans, make sure you subscribe. Any comments or questions, make sure you leave them below. Thanks a bunch.